Joe Davies County in northwestern Illinois, Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois, until 9:15 p.m. 8:08. A severe thunderstorm was located near Argyle, Oregon, 7 miles east of Darlington, moving south at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Freeport, Mount Carroll, Lena, Stockton, Lanark, Warren, Milledgeville, Fairhaven, Pearl City, Cheyenne, Cedarville, Davis, Chadwick, Dakota, German Valley, Apple River, Winslow, Rock City, Rydot, and Nora. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no weather rate.